Alice L. Walton School of Medicine opens in Bentonville. The Alice L. Walton School of Medicine, awesome, has officially opened its doors in Bentonville, marking a significant milestone in medical education. On July 14th, the school welcomed its first cohort of 48 students, who are set to graduate in 2029. At the helm of this innovative institution is Dr. Sharmila Mukherjee, the founding dean and CEO, who has been in her role for over 2 years. Located at 1001 NEJ Street, the school is situated on a sprawling 134-acre campus that also houses the Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art and the Heartland Whole Health Institute. Dr. Mukherjee expressed her enthusiasm, stating, "Overall, it's been even better than what I had hoped for. Starting a medical school is uncharted territory, and each institution has its unique mission and vision. My collaboration with Alice Walton helped ensure our values aligned, which has been crucial in assembling a dedicated faculty and staff to amplify our goals." Founded by philanthropist Alice Walton in 2021, AWESOME offers a comprehensive 4-year medical degree program that emphasizes a whole-person approach to healthcare. Drawing from her own experiences in the healthcare system, Walton identified a pressing need for this holistic method. Our state and the surrounding areas are facing significant medical shortages. Research indicates that if we do not take proactive measures, we risk falling even further behind, Walton stated. It is vital that we train and empower physicians to address the healthcare challenges of the 21st century, focusing on comprehensive care that promotes well-being and disease prevention. In rural states like Arkansas, it is crucial for physicians to learn how to provide care regardless of a patient's location, including utilizing virtual care and telemedicine options. Dr. Mukherjee highlighted the school's mission to cultivate students who can think innovatively and work collaboratively. She is also a member of the Graduate Medical Education Residency Expansion Board, emphasizing the need for more residency programs in the state, which AWESOME is actively working to develop. The School of Medicine is designed to be an inspiring environment that fosters well-being, encourages innovation, and prepares future physicians to be catalysts for change, Walton remarked. My aspiration is to continuously expand the physician workforce in our region to meet community needs, training doctors who are equipped to address the physical, mental, emotional, and social aspects of health, thereby enhancing resilience and preventing illness. In collaboration with Mercy and the Cleveland Clinic, Dr. Mukherjee is also involved in a significant initiative announced in September, which includes a $700 million, 30-year partnership. This collaboration aims to enhance cardiovascular care, with the Cleveland Clinic contributing its expertise. As part of this effort, the Alice L. Walton Foundation has acquired a 100-acre site for a future healthcare campus that will feature a cardiac care facility, located just a mile from the medical school. Mukherjee noted that the cardiovascular program will be the first to launch, stating, "We are exploring various avenues for expansion, but we want to approach it differently. Our focus is not just on treating problems as they arise. We aim to incorporate preventive and wellness strategies throughout the treatment process and into recovery, creating an ideal healthcare paradigm." Design and construction. In August 2023, Bentonville issued a building permit valued at $47.28 million for the construction of the 4-story, 154,000 square foot AWESOME building. The project is being managed by Crossland Construction Incorporated from Columbus, Kansas, with Polk Stanley Wilcox from Arkansas serving as the lead architect and the New York-based Office of Strategy plus Design handling landscape design. Walton described the building as innovative and welcoming, designed to immerse students in art and architecture as part of their educational journey. The exterior is integrated with nature, featuring a 2-acre green roof and surrounding gardens. I am thrilled about how these elements intersect, allowing students, faculty, staff, and the community to enjoy these spaces and the well-being that comes from being in nature. Architect Wesley Walls, principal at Polk Stanley Wilcox, shared that the project commenced in 2021. He emphasized the unique design philosophy that blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces, as well as architecture and landscape. The design was equally focused on the outdoor spaces as it was on the interior. A notable feature is the extensive 2-acre green roof, the largest in the region. Additionally, the building's design incorporates a cantilevered vein of Ozark ledgestone, creating a protective canopy that is clad in satin brass and surrounded by reflecting pools. This design draws inspiration from the natural bluff shelters historically used as healing spaces, reimagining the entry as a contemporary gathering and healing space, perhaps even a 21st-century sacred space. Walls explained that one of the school's key design requirements was to shield the building from the west, as viewed from the park and North Forest trails of crystal bridges. The solution involved extending the building into the landscape, allowing the park to seamlessly flow onto the roof, effectively camouflaging the structure while elevating it towards the community. We envisioned the entire composition as an abstraction of the regional geology, making the building an interactive part of the Ozark landscape. The campus invites the community to explore how art, architecture, nature, and wellness can enhance health outcomes. The west end integrates trails and landscaping into the green roof, while the east facade rises as an abstracted Ozark bluff shelter, creating a sheltered entryway from the expansive community lawn. Robert Adams, senior project manager at Crossland Construction, noted that this project represents the largest landscaping effort he has encountered in his 27-year career, with approximately 147,000 plants installed on site. The building features an 85-foot-long, 3-story cantilever with a sloping green roof, which required intricate engineering to balance the weight and ensure structural integrity during construction, Adams explained. This project has showcased our team's expertise in executing complex and impactful projects. The building is also the heaviest constructed by Crossland Construction to date. We managed the steel erection ourselves, and we rank as the 5th largest steel erector in the nation by tonnage. This project is over 1,000 tons heavier than any previous building we've completed, including those exceeding 1 million square feet. Walls described the building's materials, which include brass, glass, and precast concrete, and its various facilities, such as learning halls, small group rooms, a library, clinical teaching spaces, administrative offices, a student lounge, a theater, and wellness areas. The site will also feature woodland meditation spaces, healing gardens, wetlands, outdoor classrooms, urban farming areas, a rooftop park, an outdoor cafe, and an amphitheater with a water feature. Public and student spaces. Dr. Mukherjee emphasized the importance of making the awesome campus accessible to the community, encouraging visitors to explore the green roof and eventually enter the building. Initially, the facility will be open to students, faculty, and staff to facilitate the start of classes. A private ceremony for students and their families is scheduled for this month, followed by a public grand opening at the end of October. The first and second floors will be accessible to the public starting November 3rd, with the second floor housing a cafe that will also welcome visitors. Guests will have the opportunity to view artwork curated by the Art Bridges Foundation, which will rotate exhibits every 6 to 9 months. Walton established this foundation in 2017 to enhance access to American art across the country. The building will also feature amenities tailored for students, including a lounge, wellness studio, and gym, with some facilities available to faculty and staff as well. Educational spaces will encompass an anatomy resource center, clinical teaching areas, examination rooms, simulation centers, and a library. The 3,010-square-foot Anatomy Resource Center will house over 100 plastinated anatomical specimens, which are preserved cadaveric models that provide a dry, odorless learning tool. This preservation method ensures durability for decades. I believe it's more beneficial for students to see real anatomical structures, Dr. Mukherjee remarked. Alice's investment in state-of-the-art resources is rare among medical schools. I also envision collaborating with local physicians to refine their understanding of certain models. The integration of simulation and virtual reality will elevate our educational opportunities significantly. Student demographics. The inaugural class at Awesome consists of approximately 1/3 students from Arkansas, nearly a quarter from neighboring states, and the remainder from across the United States. Notably, around 15